Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Kenny on this DX600 Texas Star. Now, this unit here has 428/79s and no driver, but today we're just only going to hit it with the Cobra 29. Nothing special. We did the repair on it. Added him 3 foot of 8-gauge wire. It had some super small wire. Let's see if I can show you what it had. It had this radio harness wire for power plug, about a 16 gauge on it. So we took care of all that. Put you a bulb in the power button. Let's go over to the 500 watt slug. Like I said, this is just driven with a Cobra 29. Hello. About 210 average. Hello. 450 peak. Alright, Kenny, it's ready to come to you. I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump bump.